All right, we are live. So I'm picking it up from last night where I built a resume builder generator, and this is going to serve as a lead magnet for a job board that I am creating. Now, the tools that I'm using are going to be GenSpark, which is my working horse. Pickaxe is where I build my essentially a custom GPT, but I make it into my custom GPT is a resume builder generator, and the platform for the job board or job site is called JobBoardly. Now, think of it. The JobBoardly, it's called Jobs in Laurel. Yes, it's called Jobs in Laurel. It is a local, pretty much a local Indeed, if you want to call it that. So it will only show, or I hope so, it will only show how it only shows Laurel jobs. Yeah, so jobs that are in Laurel, jobs in Laurel. Okay, so resume builder, I did a lot of tests last night and it works. Now it's just a matter of putting it all together. Okay, cool. Let's start. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. I won't see it because I'm concentrating, you know what I'm saying? But I will look back at it and answer your question if I know the answer. All right, why isn't this? There you go. So I like to say, okay, all right, you're not playing nice. Do it side by side. It's just how my brain works. Okay, so now we need to embed this. Let me see if it's working. Nope. So that was the issue that I had last night, is that this thing will not embed. It can duplicate. No. Here's the preview. Oh, duh, I'm so dumb. It was late night. I'm the dumb. All right, inline flex. Fab. Pop up. Nope, it will be inline iframe. Okay, max width. Mm, do we need this? Okay. Okay, get the spell. Yes, sir. We're gonna white label this. That's fine. Let's have description. Paste any job posting, plus add info, get to listen. Yeah, sounds legit. All right. Drop shadow. And doesn't really matter. Let's see how it looks like on the phone, which is super important. So if you're creating any type of website, any type of landing page, whatever it is, make sure you test it on how it looks like on your phone. So always have this mentality of phone, mobile first, then desktop, because majority of people are on their phone and they're checking your site. And if your site looks wonky on their mobile, they're gonna exit out. So we're gonna check it on mobile after this, but so let's just go ahead and embed this thing, see if it works and it doesn't look weird. So let's just add a page, HTML. What the freak? Okay. I hope I'm not the dum dum here. Hold on. Inline frame. Okay. Share. Duh. Right here. Go. Huh? Okay. All right. Let's remove this domain. Actually, you know what? No. And let's remove this domain. See now if it works. Yes, it works. It looks good. Let's just create the page, test. Now let's view the page. Oh, wrong one. Okay. Why isn't it in here? Pages. No, it needs to show up. Oh, it's here somewhere. Design. Test. Bingo. All right. Now let's look. Here it is. What the? Why? Why is it not working? Okay. Let's go back to pages. Let's name it something else. Yeah, let me view this page. What the freak? Edit. Okay. There. Oh. Great. Resume. Builder. Generator. I didn't click publish. What a dum dum. Okay. Pages. Let's just do this, and it's clearly not showing up. Settings. Design. Go. Save changes. All right. There it is. Oh, no. No. Okay. Now we go back to pages and edit it. So the width should be 100% and the height, okay. Think. Okay, the max width in this. So let's make it 1400. There you go. That's fine. There you go. It changed here. Hmm, it's still small. What am I doing wrong? Maybe I should embed it. Mm-mm. Let's open GenSpark. You know what? Before I do that, let me just do this really quick. It looks like it never changed. Update page. Yeah. All right. I have this code. And I embed it to my site. It comes out like this. Mm. Hey, JenSpark, help me out. Because I have no idea. Let's try another code. Wow, that is figuring it out. So instead of inline iframe, it'll be inline flex. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna figure this out. Please work. No. Yes, it did. All right, all right. Now we're cooking. Now I just need this to not like scroll. I want to take up the whole thing. So, oh, where am I? Okay. So let's update this. Okay. So max height. Let's make it. It should be like that, right? Yeah. Hold on. Okay. That should be. No, now it's too big. There. Okay, there. Save. Share. Copy. Dang. This still has the. Hold on. See how the view. Why is it saying see history? Okay. I know what to do. Remove the title. Where is the, okay, here we go. Remove this, and this. Because we'll put it on our own. Should I have to? Yeah, that's fine. Now, let me see if it will auto update. Yes, it does. Fantastic. Okay. Yay. It looks great. I'll add more details into this page, but it looks nice. So, next step is how it looks like on our phone, because like I said, that is super important. Um, so I have an iPhone, and what I use to do for the to project it to my desktop, I use, it's an AirDrop. There, oh, it's called Air Screen. All right, and then so what I do with the Air Screen, so like I said, I have an iPhone. I go to, where is that thing? Hold on. So I go to my screen mirroring right here. You see it? So I just click that, and it should auto. Let me make my base bigger so you can see. So it should auto like connect itself as long as your desktop, laptop, whatever is on the same Wi-Fi, and so is your phone. So I just click. Whoops, here. Let me move my face and move this so you can see it in real time. So I click connect, and it should auto update right here. Boom. That's it. And that is how I screen project. It is completely free. The app is called Air Screen Mirroring Air Screen Mirroring Receiver. So if you have so I just downloaded off of is it called the Windows? I forgot what their apps. Oh, Microsoft Store. And if you have a Mac, I have no idea. So sorry. So it's this one right here. Like I said, it's free. So if you have a desktop and an iPhone, oh, oops, sorry, my bad. So if you have a desktop and an iPhone, and you want to pretty much mirror your phone to your desktop, this is the app that you can download. It's called Air Screen Mirroring Receiver. Take a screenshot, and yes, it is free to use. All right, now let's go ahead and check how this looks like on our phone. And what I'm gonna do is, I am lazy, so I'm gonna send this to myself. Actually, I'm not send. I'm gonna send it to myself. All right. Okay. And yes, that's my cute doggo. All right, where's my Bumble? And Bumble, by the way, if you have a team and you guys use Slack, Slack is expensive. Trust, I know because I looked at it. Bumble is a great alternative to Slack. It looks exactly like Slack. There's like a few features that are missing, but I mean, if you don't need it, then why pay extra? And no, I'm not getting paid to say this. All right, so let's take a look at how it looks like on our phone. Great. Now, I don't like it how it does this because it's not native to Safari. So I always click that. There you go. Now I'm on my Safari. So yeah, it looks great. Now, next step is how it would look like when I do run it. So I don't know if I don't have a fake resume. Can I choose a file? Okay, so let me give myself the fake resume that I had that I made last night. All right, where's my fake resume? There we go. Let me just send it to myself. All right, here's my fake resume. Come on. It would be share and save to files. Jane Doe resume, fantastic. All right, so let me go ahead and upload my fake resume. While that's uploading, Jane Doe, my email at gmail. Dang, it's taking a while. Jeez. Well, that's another thing to consider. Okay, that was probably like what, less than a minute? Probably like 20 seconds, if I'm not mistaken. All right, paste the job listing here. So what I'm going to do, uh, y'all should be, you know what? Let me take this off real quick. I don't want you guys to see what I'm searching. All right, all right. Now we're good. All right. Let's do this Geek Squad thing. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Come on, boy. On, let's go. Definitely not what I was expecting. I wonder if we could do the link. You know what? That would be next level. But first, I just want to get this out. All right. So we're going to paste it here. Paste. Done. All right. All right. Generate my resume. Please, please, please work. 1, 2. Okay. That was like 20 seconds. Wow. Amazing. Now let's look at to see if the bot made stuff up, because I had that issue last night. So I'm gonna pull up my fake resume alongside. All right, Jane Doe. All right, talks about Best Buy as my customer service skills. All right, professional experience, social media manager. That's correct. Okay, skills. Great. I didn't put any education down, so I didn't make stuff up. Professional development, completed various courses online. Is that true? I believe so. Through social media. Okay, okay. Participating in workshop based on, okay, whatever. Develop one request. Okay. Now it's asked, okay, so now right here, if you look at the bottom here, this section, it looks like a hot mess, because not only like you don't know where the chat box is, was not only I have this widget right here that says back to the top, it's like blocking. Oh, there you go. Now it's good. It was blocking the chat. So I'm gonna X this out. Hopefully the user knows that. Would you like me to generate a PDF version? Let's just say yes. Ooh, this widget right here is annoying. Like I would be annoyed. but it's absolutely necessary though. Um, so let's wait. Okay, this one's definitely taking longer than my 1 minute. Okay, let's download and see how it looks like. Fantastic. Yeah, it works. It works on mobile. Great. Now, mobile looks great. Now let's do the test on desktop. I already know how it would look like. Well, actually, no, you know what? Let's not do the test on the desktop because we clearly see it works. It worked. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna exit this out. Let's go back. Oops. I lost everything now. Here we go. All right, now we're gonna fill this in. So I'm gonna exit this out because I don't need that anymore. All right, so I went back. So another pro tip, if you are doing any sort of chat or any sort of AI chat, you always want to go back to that same thread of like the same conversation. And you don't want to start anything new because so this is what I mean by thread or conversation. You don't want to start anything new because now you have to re-explain yourself what you want to do, and it's just not efficient. So always go back to the previous conversation that you have, and then just pick it up like nothing happened. All right, so this is the conversation I had last night. It's the same thread, so we're gonna go ahead and say we're gonna edit this page. Can you help me fill this out so that way it is SEO friendly? Okay. I don't know why it got ACO. Let's just let that go. Bingo bango. Bingo bango. Should I keep the title or create a new one to make it SEO friendly? I don't like the word tailored. Is there another way to say it that it is super customized and they can generate it within minutes? And if you weren't in my live last night, I don't like big words. I like to keep it simple. Um, I always have my bots trained to have a reading level of a third grader. So, yeah. Cool. Here we go. How about the path name? I like this. I hope it didn't mess up my little link at the bottom. Did it mess it up? But now it's not showing up. Okay, we'll fix that. Let me just update this page. Hmm. Okay. So the link at the bottom works. Let's not go over. Let's edit this page. What's going on with our thing? Hmm. That was weird. Now I just had to make a mental note that to check it at least every other day to make sure that it doesn't ghost on me. All right. So what copy can I make to entice user to use the resume builder? Okay, here we go. All right, so this one's a little bit tricky to edit because I don't know where the code is. I know it exists because if you go to the HTML, it's right there. So I have to ask GenSpark to create it in HTML form or format. So first let's pick the headline, subheadline, call to action. So get your dream job in Laurel, Maryland. Generate a professional resume in 2 minutes. Paste any job posting and upload your current resume equals get a perfectly, there's the word tailored again. Get perfectly tailored ATS blah blah blah. I don't have social proof. Stop. Um, I don't like the word tailored. Can you rewrite the subheadline? Also, can you also mention that they can download it as a PDF when they're done and it's completely free? like emphasize on the free benefit. Okay. Where's the alternate version? Transform your resume for any job in 2 minutes. Hmm. So that in 2 minutes. So this gonna be H1. Okay, you know what I'm gonna ask? Can you format this in HTML so I can copy and paste, starting with the headline as wait, what? What was the headline? Oh, get your free job, get your dream job in Laurel, Maryland. Yeah, let's do this one. All right, so it needs to go on top. And I have a feeling this shit's gonna disappear again, so let's just might as well. That is so small. Or is it just me? Um, this is how it looks like. Do you believe this is too redundant or overwhelming? How can we simplify this? Hmm. I don't like how this is showing. Um, this right here is showing up. Well, I guess we could change it, right? Yeah, I could change it. Hmm. This is gonna be since it's showing up now. I don't like how it's like I said, I don't like how it's formatted, how this is showing up, and it's not, well, it's a title, so I don't know if it's gonna be considered as a H1, or am I missing something? Okay, you know what? I'm overthinking this. So let's just do this. I like this. Just straight to the point. And then I don't know if that's gonna be green. This is gonna be my H2. Hmm. Let's take a look really quick. Okay, there's a weird gap. Dang it. I don't know what's up with that. This thing needs to be bigger, so I don't know, H3. All right. Now let's do this. Copy this. Update the page. Bingo. All right. I mean, it looks good. I don't know. Yeah, it looks good. All right. Now we need to update it, or now I need to look on my phone to see how it looks like with the words in it. So let's go ahead and open up Air Screen Mirroring. Oops. Oh, why is my face so big? My bad. Okay, let's just re-resume builder, upload resume plus base job. Yeah, looks good. Very good. So now that is one lead magnet that we've created. Now, do I need to do anything with it? Nope. This looks good. I'm happy with it. Um, so yeah, I think that's it. It was pretty simple. Now I just need to make sure that I check this like in the morning or the next day or the morning or 2 days from now to make sure that this is still here, because you saw that it disappeared for some reason. So I'm just gonna title this embed resume builder saved. All right, awesome. Now for here, now there is a usage limit. So I'm just gonna increase it for, let me see if do I know how to increase it? I think usage limit is fine. I think that's fine. Um, Now, if I want to monetize this, then I can go here, connect my Stripe account, decrease the guest settings or the usage limit, and yeah. But I guess the next thing that I can do here is, oh, I already have my APIs, so cool. But I'm not planning to put this out in the public for the studio. So the studio itself, this is how it looks like. So think of a studio like a website, but it has a bunch of like custom GPTs in it. So if you go here, oh well, yeah, it's just a bunch of custom GPTs. Do I have one that's already done? I think I do. It's just so you can get the feel of it. I think it's called My Digital Toolkit. You know what? I'm lunching. I have it here. Let me just go to my main page. There you go. So, mhm, mhm. Let me copy this. So this is the studio, and basically it's a bunch of different custom GPTs that you can use. So that's what a studio is. I'm not planning to release that, so that's not even a big deal. But yeah, if you have any questions about Pickaxe, JobBoardly, maybe GenSpark, let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Catch you on the next live. Bye.